Good afternoon, everyone. Professor Junichi Mori, Vice President for International Relations, Kyoto University. I'm so honored today to be given a chance to give presentation. Well, this is my first presentation in an international workshop, so I hope everything goes well. And Onamai wa Khairul Bariah desu. Is it right? Arigatou gozaimasu. My name is Khairul Bariah. Very long name, very hard to pronounce, but just call me K. Not KU. We have many KU today. So K. So just remember my name is K. So I'm from University of Malaya, Malaysia. Before I start the presentation, this is a bit of history or background of University of Malaya. Basically, we start 1905, the same as Fudan University. And but somehow or other, the relationship between University of Malaya broke between like a boyfriend and a girlfriend, you know. In between in April 1949. Our name is University of Malaya, Singapore. And then 1st January 1962, we are University of Malaya, Kuala Lumpur, and University of Singapore, standalone. So, University of Singapore, we have here Madam Dennis. They are our brothers. So, now University of Malaya, standalone in Malaysia. So, University of Malaya, the only public university located in capital Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We have another university which is nearby University of Malaya, but basically University of Malaya, located in the capital of Kuala Lumpur. We are multiracial, multicultural, and peaceful. We have 12 faculties, 2 academies, 6 institutes, 5 centers, and 8 research clusters. These are list of research clusters that we have currently: health and translational medicine, biotechnology, we have IT, we have engineering and technology, social and behavioral sciences, humanities, sustainable sciences. These are the list of faculties, academies, centers and institutes in University of Malaya. Comprises of medicine, dentistry, science, engineering, education, Islamic studies, Malay studies, and we have also sports center. These are some facts and figures about student exchange, inbound and outbound. These are the list of countries that we have currently in University of Malaya, from Korea, from China, from Indonesia, from Taiwan, Thailand, Brunei, Japan of course, Kazakhstan, Germany, Sudan and others. So in 2012 last year we have 1,500 inbound students to University of Malaya. We also have museums in University of Malaya. We have art gallery. If you have the chance to come to University of Malaya, please visit our art gallery. It's one of the interesting gallery. We have many collections of art in the gallery. We have a museum of pathology. We have museum of anatomy, geology, and we also have the botanical garden. This is my topic, talent. Before that, talent is the vehicle to move the organization where it wants to be. Is that true? Is that true? Right. I have this video, but unfortunately, I can't view the video here to you guys, but hopefully tomorrow, if we have the facility here, I can share with you this video. If you have time, just Google and look for this video, African teen wows MIT. It's an African boy from Sierra Leone who actually being invited as a visiting professor in MIT. Okay? Well, this is my topic, talent discovery. Establishing direction for the internationalization of human resources in the university. Everybody has talent. That is my sections towards administrators. Well, today we have presentation about student exchange. We have presentations about international corporate office. But do you think that administrators have to be talented to run the university and to be internationalization, university nowadays? Do you think so? Or we are just administrator? We can MC, do reports, do some international relation kind of thing. Are you a talented personnel? Are you a talented staff? Do you think so? When you talk about ranking of university, who will get the name? The academic staff? The researcher? The students, number of students increase? Have you been recognized as administrator to give one of the points to the university ranking? This is our vision. University Malaya to be internationally renowned institution of higher learning in research, innovation, publication and teaching. In Malaysia, when we talk about internationalization, we talk about staff and students. Branch campuses of Malaysian universities, Malaysian branch campuses of foreign universities aim to be higher education hub and to increase our national income. When we talk about international in UM, in University of Malaya, we talk about increase in number of international students, increase international research projects, technology transfer, high impact research, multidisciplinary research collaboration, increased number of international staff, which is academic and administrators. We talk about increased number of student exchange program, Asia, Scandinavia, Latin America, etc. And we have to talk about industry relationship, industry-university relationship, international industry liaison officer in the faculties, increase in number of international collaboration, setting up centers for international collaboration. This is my question. Why University of Malaya need talented administrator? Maybe this also applies to your department or to your university as well. Intense pressure of university rankings. Do you guys have pressure of university rankings? No. Hello? No, yes. No, yes. Well, this is what happened. Intense pressure of university ranking. Stressful. I was talking to one of our colleagues just now. We are overloaded sometimes. Or most of the times. Sometimes? Many times. Okay. Diversification of staff and students. We no longer receive students from our local. In Japan, you receive students from Middle East, from Indonesia, from Malaysia. Diversification. Increasing number of international academic icons. What we call as academic icons is the renowned professors from all over around the world. So, in order to address this, well, this is make us stress again. International academic staff increase every year. So now we have 486 international academic staff in our university. We have 3,600 international students, comprises of 800 undergraduates, 2,800 postgraduates, and we handle 250 MOUs as at last year. Increased collaboration, international collaboration. We have Asia-Europe Institute, which handles relationship between Asia and European. Kongsi Institute, in addition to Institute of China Studies, we have this in University Malaya currently. We have joint impact research centers with Australian University, Africa Asia Development University Network, hosted by and leading Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Vietnam projects as well. Why is it so crucial? Administrators to have international mindset, but with local policies. This is one of our problems actually. So we have to act international, but at the same time, we have local policies that we have to go through, we have to run. Talented administrators are needed to execute the university's vision, definitely. Determine whether the current talent management strategy align to drive the goals. Well, basically, my presentation, my paper, it's to draw directions for the university. For your information, currently in Malaysia, for all the public university, we don't have any strategy, talent management strategy on place for all the university. Each university has their own strategy, but the whole complete set of talent management strategy was not there. So the same goes to University of Malaya. So these are the questions that me and a few members in our department draw out in order to come up with a strategy. Does have the talent it needs to execute the vision? How well are talent initiatives coordinated across faculties and central administration division? Are senior managers capable and bias-free enough to develop and support capability among the junior executives? That question, the previous questions, lead to another set of questions. What are the specific talent needed to achieve success among the administrator? What tools can be used to discover talent? How do we address shortcomings in our talent management approach? How do we measure success efficiently? Is the talent discovery question outline useful? From our discussion, from survey that we have done, from observation, from interviews, we say yes. Human Resource Division can use the questions to establish a direction to facilitate talent among administrators and, of course, to prepare for future management team. This is current situation in We run this succession planning. Before we come up with the talent management strategy, we come up with succession planning. We are in the third stage. We have 6 stages to go through. We are now at the third stage. We have identified key positions. We have identified potential successor. And now we are at the readiness level. That's it. That's my email address. So I hope this platform, these workshops can network us together so that hopefully I will come out with a paper for this strategy and to share with you within the Asian University, and hopefully this strategy will be on place. Arigatou gozaimasu.